Good morning and happy Saturday. Let's get the house cleaned up a little bit. These are a decent sized washer and dryer, so we're gonna do our pillowcases, our sheets, and then 2 blankets first. My mom has gotten me onto the instant coffee thing lately, so I need to make a coffee before I continue on. I did just wake up, to be fair. And the cool thing about this instant coffee is that it is literally instant, so you don't have to do any kind of brewing or anything like that. Just 1 heaping teaspoon. And then she also got me these little creamer pods, which I love. And they're extremely convenient because I only drink coffee at home on the weekends. We have a coffee machine at work, so I just drink coffee at work during the week. So creamer would get bad quickly here just because I'm only drinking it 2 times a week. I have a lot of work that I need to get done, so I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit while the sheets wash, and I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, get some of this work done, and then we'll pick back up on the cleaning. The sheets are done, so I'm gonna go ahead and move them over to the dryer. I should say sheets and blankets. And I'm gonna quickly unload and reload the dishwasher. We're having my side of the family and my husband's side of the family coming over tomorrow night to celebrate my husband's birthday. So it'll be nice to have the dishwasher unloaded and then partially reloaded with plenty of space so that as we're cooking and as people eat and finish up, we can put the dishes directly into the dishwasher and run the load at the end of the night. I'm gonna go ahead and get looking decent. I don't wanna go out today. I would do anything to stay in, but I need to go get groceries and then something to eat. This vlog is pretty much the same as my last one, but this is pretty much what my weekends always look like. And I enjoy it. I love hanging out. I love cleaning. I love tanning, reading. The work portion kind of stinks, but it's something that I have to do. But I'm gonna get looking decent so that we can go get our groceries. I don't have to get out of my car or anything. So it is me being lazy, but I'm gonna go to Tropical Smoothie Cafe just because I have a gift card for there. So girl math, it's gonna be free. I'm gonna get a smoothie and something for breakfast, and then I'm gonna go pick up the groceries. Then we'll head home and I'll show you what I got from the grocery store. It's funny how hungry I am during the week because I'm just sitting at a desk. Then it comes to the weekend and I seem to always skip breakfast unless my husband's home and I get the inkling to make us breakfast. It's about 12 o'clock right now, so let's go get some lunch and then pick up our groceries, and then we're coming back home. My husband ended up calling me while I was in the drive-thru, but here's my smoothie. Like I said, it's the Bahama Mama. It's got like white chocolate, strawberries, a couple other things. I'm not sure. Last time I got it with the whey protein, and it was not good, if I'm being completely honest. So I just got it without this time. And I did end up taking a bite of the panini flatbread. It's really good. I'll show you whenever I get home. And I have my chips in here as well. But let's go get the groceries. Time for our weekly grocery haul. Lettuce, mustard potato salad, blueberries, strawberries, eggs that I hope didn't get cracked. Beautiful. Greek yogurt, hot dogs, lots of cheese. I love the Southern Home Style. These are the best biscuits, especially the butter tasting. I prefer these over the flaky. Also got a little deal of cinnamon rolls because they were on sale. A bunch of chicken breasts, a tomato and a yellow onion, barbecue Lays and regular Lays, tea, hamburger buns, pickles, baked beans, a couple cans of veggies. We have green beans and carrots, 2 boxes of Spanish rice, and 1 box of the chicken and garlic rice. And lastly is a gallon of milk. Here's the wrap that I got. So it's got chicken, pesto, tomatoes, and Parmesan cheese in there. It also has some melted mozzarella. It definitely needs to be warmed up. It was better warm, but so much better than that breakfast taco burrito that I had the other day. And then obviously I know that these are great. My mom's gonna come over and hang out with me while my husband's out fishing, and then she's gonna spend the night so that she can be here for the party tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up on making our bed. The sheets and blankets are dry, so I'm gonna go grab those from the dryer and throw them onto the bed really quick. I lied, they're still wet, so they're gonna go for another cycle, and I'll make my bed just whenever those are ready.